Now you'll be able to easily edit your employees' information in their employee profiles by heading to their employee listing here and clicking edit. This will bring you to your employees' individualized employee profiles, whereby you'll be able to key in their personal details, employment details like their hire date, resign date, and confirmation date. Identification documents wise, you'll be able to key in your employee's immigration status, and this will help with calculating any statutory contributions for your employees in payroll. Statutory details is more of compulsory statutory contributions like your self-help group contributions, and you'll be able to choose which group your employee actually contributes to, and we support up to 2 levels of this in Talenox. Moving up, we also have the current job details. You can key in things like your title, department, start dates, end dates, and rate of pay for your employee. So how we categorize full-time staff from part-time staff in the system is based on a rate of pay. So if they're paid monthly, they'll be considered full-time staff. If they're paid daily or hourly, they'll be considered part-time staff. You can then key in the currency and the amounts they're being paid. What happens if you have a job promotion or salary increment to key in for your employee in the system? You don't actually edit their current job details. You can document it under view or jobs instead. Heading down, we also have the payment details to key in for each employee. So based on their payment methods, you can choose either bank transfer or check. Key in their bank, account number, and the bank code, branch code, as well as SWIFT code will actually automatically be preset for them because it's already been keyed into the back end. So all they'll need to key in will be their bank account holder's name and the branch name. Lastly, another field to highlight will be the next of kin details here, whereby an employee will have to fill this up in order to unlock any statutory leaves or like maternity, paternity, or childcare leave. So this is more of like a validation field. After filling in all of these different details in the system, you can then head through your user account, key in your employee's email, and choose the access rights. So for a normal employee, you usually key in a user access right, and you'll be able to enable your employee to have access to view their payslips, apply for leave as well as view their leave balances, and also to view their profiles in the system. You can then create and send an invite, and this will enable your employee to log into the system to access all these different features you've enabled for them. So on the access rights, we also have admin and super admins, and these are more for like HR managers or people managing payroll for your company. So you'll be able to enable them, and admins and super admins will have the similar capabilities in terms of having access to company-wide profiles, managing payroll for your employees, and also to set up their leave settings in the company. So the only difference between admins and super admins is that super admins have access to the billing dashboard here. So the billing dashboard will include things like being able to view your invoices and key in your payment information. So that will be the main difference. And after you've keyed all that in, you can click save, and then all these details will be saved into the system under each employee's profile.